Hello dear student, good afternoon. So today our topic is examples of important insecticide groups. So it's the second part because we learned last lecture the part 1 that different insecticide, and today we are learn to pesticide related to plant origin, or we can say here botanical insecticide or natural insecticide. So these all toxic and compound actually derived from different plants, its parts, and which is used in insect control. Generally, this plant originated insecticide or botanical insecticide are the some nicotine, pyrethrum, protenon, azadirachtin, that means the some neem based product, some also the other also that Pongram, Rhenia, Sabadilla. That why these all certain plants product which are used in these some pesticide as well as in nematicides, as well as which is used in some insect attractant, even some used as a repellent, and which are diluents in insecticidal formulation. So let's see in detail these all plant originated insecticide and other also the some compounds also mentioned. So the first one that nicotine. So this nicotine toxicant compound, which is derived from that tobacco, and which is used in the insect control as early as in starting from the 1763. And why? Because of here the some major insecticidal properties were included that have the some important principle, like some alkaloids were present that's called as a nicotine, and was actually discovered in 1828. So why? Because in this tobacco, where the cheap source that insecticidal properties compound, that source is Nicotina tobacum, and the second species of this Nicotina rustica. So these are the two major source where that insecticidal property, that means the nicotine, were present, and other some also some alkaloids were present in tobacco, and have near about 12 alkaloids have been reported and also isolated from tobacco. And the major one that tobacco, that's nicotine, that where the near about the constitute the more than 97% of the total alkaloids. That's why this is the prime that compound, that nicotine, and which is extracted, or that derivatives from the Nicotina tobacco, that near about 2 to 5%. And this nicotine is obtained from the plants parts of this tobacco leaves, and mostly stem, and of through the waste tobacco by the steam sterilization. And this compound nicotine, which is act as a on insect as a nerve poison, that to inhibit the acetylcholine esterase, even also that highly toxic when applied on the pest body, so which is absorbed through the integument, we can say, or we can talk them to cuticle, or even also that to enter in insect through the trachea, and which is highly toxic to the this all pest, and which is highly effective against some soft bodied insect, like some sucking pest insect, like known as thrips, some jacid, that called as a hoppers, some mealybugs, etc. So this is also that some neuromuscular poison in man and like animal. Hence, it is used in like discourage, or we can that to avoid them. Okay, now the next one product, that plant originated insecticide called as neem. This neem, that tree, where that presence of the one compound azadirachtin, and the name of this plant is Azadirachta indica, and where the main active insecticidal ingredient present in neem, that is called as azadirachtin, which is very important. What is the main active ingredient of neem tree? It's a azadirachtin. Even also in neem tree, several alkaloids also present. That's why it is a major role in agriculture, even some other point of view. Why? Because the other alkaloids are limonoids, protolimonoids, which having some action of like antipedant, even repellent action, and some insecticidal activity. So nowadays it is assuming as an international tree of this neem tree, and all parts of this neem tree are possesses insecticidal activity, but seeds are only the main that source which is most effective. And other some neem bark also, leaves, and some neem oil, as well as some extract with various solvents like ethanol also that found in neem tree. And mostly it is used as a growth inhibitor, even also the cause egg sterility, and also on the female insect body the adverse effect on its fecundity. It means what? To egg laying capacity is totally that disturbed when this type of the nimbest pesticide applied. So this type of the action occur in insect. Even in a desert locust, one experiment that conducted by Dr. S. Pradhan, here I mention on slide that S. Pradhan. So here that presence of that antipedant activity of against the insect desert locust, which act as a various that to avoid the feeding of this desert locust. And even also it is effective the various bollworms, that means the American bollworm, some leaf feeding insect called as a leaf eating caterpillar, on cabbage plant, very severe pest of this diamond back moth also that to controlled by this pesticide. Even some armyworm also control, and some other different suckers or sucking pest like some leaf hoppers, that means the jacid, some white fly and thrips. And now these neem based products are available in the market as a trade name are some Achuk, Bioneem, Econeem, even Neemark, Nimzal, neem oil. So these are all that the available market product which is commercialized, commercial available for the farmers point of view. And for the in IPM program, the NSKE, that means the neem seed kernel extract, are used to control the various pests. That means the 5% neem seed kernel extract generally used in the IPM. So this is the important information about the neem. So now the next one, the other plant originated insecticide called as pyrethroids, or we can talk them to pyrethrums or pyrethrins. This is also the one product or insecticide which is extracted from the one plant. The name of this plant is chrysanthemum, and these pyrethroids are extracted from the flower of dried flower of chrysanthemum. And why? Because the presence of the very important active ingredient name of this pyrethrin 1 and pyrethrin 2, cynerin 1 and cynerin 2. These are the active ingredient insecticidal property contained that present in chrysanthemum flower, and which is that derived from the dried flowers of chrysanthemum, and which is that important to against different insect. Why? Because all pyrethroids are the lipophilic, that called as a fat loving compounds, and which is insoluble in water. And even also this all pyrethroids that show higher toxicity, that means the higher that to effective against various insect, and also the very safe to the other mammals. And these are the contact poison that action through the contact when applied on the pest. And these synthetic pyrethroids like are the example are cypermethrin, that permethrin, deltamethrin, decamethrin, and some phenolate compound are very effective against the soft bodies. Even some caterpillar called as a lepidopteran insect are the effective that which are contact and stomach poisoning occur, and finally insect will that destroy or that control. So here on pyrethroids, one major compounds that which are the first synthetic analogous compound which is made up or developed in 1949. That name of this compound is alethrin, which is used in various household pest. Okay, so these are all that the important about this group of these pyrethroids. Now the next one, the rotenone. So rotenone also the one group, and this plant originated insecticide, and which is derived from the legumes of this bean that is called as the Daris elliptica. And this insecticide or this compound which is extracted from the roots of this legume beans. This is important, and which is used in the year 1848 against various defoliator that called as the leaf-eating caterpillar of Lepidopteran insect, and which is very important. Why? Because of there is the presence of one active ingredient that is called as the rotenone, and which is isolated by the scientist of Geoffroy. This is the one scientist that were that found the active ingredient, this rotenone compound, and which is effective on pest or insect, act as a stomach poison and as well as the contact poisoning, and which is also that one major mode of action that present in insect, which act as it inhibits the respiratory metabolism. So that's why it is very important pesticides against different insect, and it is very extremely toxic to fish. So that hence which is used as a pesticide, that chemical that which is used to kill the fishes. That's why. So this is a rotenone compound generally used. Okay, now the next one, oxidizins. It is not a plant derivatives insecticide or not plant originated insecticide. This is another one that compound which is a toxic compound, and this group of these oxidizins, and these oxidizins compounds are the pesticide indoxacarb. This indoxacarb is nowadays very famous and available in the market that commercially avant. And why this pesticide is very popular? Because of there is the different type of mode of action occur in insect. So here the insect body, what may be the sodium channel were present for the normal behavior, normal development purpose. These indoxacarb insecticide are to blockers the sodium channel in the direct the nervous system. That's why that having the novel mode of action of this pesticide, and which is very effective against the those pests that generally develop the resistance to different pesticide, likely called as a synthetic pyrethroids compound. That time this type of the oxidizins compound, example of this indoxacarb pesticide, are generally used to control the pest. Those are the resistant. So that's why this is very important group of this oxidizins. Now the next one, phenylpyrazoles compound. This phenylpyrazoles group of pesticide, the example of this fipronil, and this fipronil in a market commercially available as an icon. This is one the trade name that market were present, and second one Regen. This is very important pesticide that now also that very popular, and to use against those pests are the already become as a resistance to different pesticides. That commonly the different pesticides are the pyrethroids. Some are the OP compound like organophosphate, and some are the carbamate pesticide. Why? It has also the novel mode of action, like to acting on the GABA regulated chloride channel of the central nervous system. That GABA means gamma aminobutyric acid, where that chloride channel of the central nervous system were acting and to inhibit and to regulate. And finally this GABA receptor, when that chloride channel that affected through this fipronil compound. So similarly, the all pest will control by this compound. Generally, it can use as a foliar spray. Even also use in the seed treatment. Even also that to apply directly in soil. That soil application for controlling various pests. So this is one the important. Now the some are the some miticides, or we can say the acaricides. These are the some new compounds called as a phenoxyquin and propargite, spiromazepine. These are the very important some pesticide nowadays available against the mites, which are the phenoxyquin commercially available in Magister, this one, and which is act as a contact poison on insect. Why? Because its mode of action is mitochondrial electron transport inhibitors in insect, and which is important to beneficial pesticide because of its no hazardous or no hazards effect on environment. So obviously it is environmentally safe and also not side that hazard to the different organism. Second one is the proper guide. This product is available in the market as a omite or proper guard or indomite. Actually, at least one or two example you remember. So here I mention on many. So for proper guide, you might also that you mention, no problem. But compound is important, and this pesticide example is important. So now the spiromazepine, this commercially available as a Oberon, and which is a lipid biosynthesis inhibitors in insect, and it is available in the suspension concentrate. So this is overall all these pesticide formulation, pesticide example. So this is our second part of this topic. Thank you. So do assignment on that topic, and also that to remember all compounds. Okay, thank you very much.